finally got the concrete forms here. Unloading them now. I'll show you what we got going on over here. Drilled some holes in the footing. Put some rebar up all around. The concrete forms will go around those. Another delivery. Yeah, this piece was messed up in delivery, so here's a new piece. Looks like I've got a box of hardware here as well. One truck leaving, another one coming in. Got some sand coming in now. Dumping a load of stone. This will lay down where the corrugated pipe will go, the drain tile. And then after this, he has 7 more loads of sand. This rock go on top of this drain tile. The drain tile will lay down here in this trench. Water goes into the drain tile and will drain out this area. Hi everyone, I'm right now working on a system to get water away from my gutters. So I'll have 4 downspouts for the gutters on each side of the building. So I'm building like a little manifold here out of pipe, and I'll show you how I'm putting that together. Sorry. I got all this pipe laid out and got most of the connections glued together, and I'll glue the rest of it together in place. I'll walk you through what we got done today. So obviously walls are up. We got some bracing and support. Walls are pretty straight. Everything except for just a few sleeves for electrical to come in, water to come in, and sewage to go out. We'll sleeve those. This machine, the tilt broke on it today, so I spent some time figuring that out, and I did find out what was wrong. Got that going. Got some stone delivered, and then I got 7 more loads of sand, which I also had some sand back here. Hopefully that will be enough. So yeah, that was day 2. That's what we got done. So there's the building behind me.